Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you WriterCream software review. So guys, what actually is WriterCream? Guys, WriterCream basically a AI writing tools that I'm going to show you step by step all the information about this software WriterCream. I'm going to show also quick demo. This is the members area. Okay guys, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know before purchase this kind of software. I'm using lots of AI tools, but I found this WriterCream. This is blessed for me. This saves my life. Why I claim this tool is best. I'm going to show guys step by step all the information. I'm using Word Hero. You can see, okay, I'm using this texter.ai, but this WriterCream is extremely best guys. Okay, I'm going to show you everything, so stay tuned guys. This is my honest review. Don't skip this video before watching the demo. Right now I'm just staying AppSumo. Here you can see this price of this tool is $59. This tool have 5 codes, but the number 1 code is $59, number 2 code is $118, number 3 code is $177, 4 code is $236, 5 code is $295. You can see this is the one-time payment. Keep in mind, this is the one-time payment and lifetime use this tool. I highly recommend if you want a good AI writing tools. That's why this is the right AI tools for you. This is the best AI tools for you. Why I claim it guys, I'm going to show you everything guys. WriterCreams help you go from a product name to a blog article, YouTube video and podcast in minutes, so you can generate all three in less than 30 minutes. I'm just back in the members area. This is the members area of the software WriterCream. Right now I'm going to show you how to generate articles. Here is, you can see all the pacers, email, you can see all the email section, copywriting, the website headlines, copy, brand product descriptions, e-commerce product descriptions and everything guys. I'm going to show you a step by step, so stay tuned. Social media, SEO. So right now I'm going to show you guys everything, and I want to generate an article using this texter.ai, using Word Hero and also using this WriterCream. You can see all the information guys. Okay, on my video. Okay, and I only share this type of video guys, so if you want you can subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so let's start the article writer. I'm just clicking here article writer. So I already generated this article, like don't ignore these 5 common symptoms of labor damage, and here's the 5 symptoms of labor damage. This is beautiful. He generated beautiful, and this is human writing content I think, and I want to delete it. I just delete it, just one click. You can download it, you can save it out. So I want to generate another article. You can post your article topic, so I just copy and paste it here, and you can see they suggest add a longer topic for better results. So I recommend you can here put the longer topic, you will get better results. So I just put 7 food that naturally cleans the liver. I just put here and write the article. They will generate my articles 1 or 2 minutes. So I'm just back in here the guys, the Word Hero, and here is, I'm going to show you how to generate articles using this Word Hero, but they will not give you the better output. They give you the better output from you will get better output this tool that called is WriterCream. So I'm just here the Word Hero. I'm going to show you guys everything that no one can share this type of video on the internet, and to share it to you the marketing. When I'm clicking here marketing, here is the blog paragraph. Okay guys, so when you click here blog paragraph, here is, you can see blog outlines. At first you generate the outlines. I'm just put it here my keyword 7 food that naturally cleans the liver. Right, for me you can see the blog outline Okay, and I'm just back in here, guys, the texter.ai. You can see the texter.ai feature. I never recommend you can purchase this type of software, texter.ai, word hero, closer copy, this type of software. I only recommend you can purchase from the lifetime deal WriterCream, link in my video description below, guys. Okay, you can see the 603 reviews, but lots of people reviews the 5-star feedback. You can see WriterCream AI based AI in market. This is a game changer software. I am thoroughly enjoying it. Automated content, easy and fast. When you if you want to see more reviews, just click here, more reviews. You can see unlimited 5-star reviews. Very good software. There are verified purchaser, guys. MP, this first impact seems positive. I will update after some use to give a more complete feedback, and can do a variety of tasks in seconds. Guys, I promote this software because I'm using this software. I'm as an affiliate, believe me, this is my honestly speaking, I'm as an affiliate, I promote this software because I'm using, and this is very much a comprehensive software, guys. And you can see my article is generated complete. 7 superfoods that naturally detoxify your liver. They give the title. I like this title actually, and here is, you can see, you can read it. This is a human writing content they are generated for me, and here is the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. This is the, also they will categorize the specific keyword. 7 superfood that detoxify your liver. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they also generate more articles for me. You can see, guys, this is the formal articles that you will be able to generate using this software WriterCream. Okay, guys, and I'm just back in here, the texter.ai. I'm going to show you how texter.ai works. So blog post, here you can add your keyword and generate articles. They will also generate articles, but not a human like content. They will generate like a garbage content. Actually, texter.ai is not a good software to writing article. Okay, guys, I'm just back in here, the word hero, and this is my outline. Okay, they generated my outline and write for me. I'm just command write for me. I never like this type of outline that he generated. Okay, blog outlines. What are the some food that cleanse the liver cleanse benefits, and okay, I like it. I want to back in here, and my outline is ready. I want to generate a paragraph. When I'm clicking here paragraph, and you can see, you can also using my outline. I want to see at first this copied here, and tone is formal. Tone is formal, right? For me, they will generate my articles, but this is not a good professional way to generate articles. But this is not a good article, guys. You can copy it on your notepad. Okay, this is the 7 foods that you natural the articles, and you can generate more and more way. This is not a good way to generate articles. Okay, guys, and this is the 1-point article. You can see, and you will be able to create, and here is your outline, and you can copy it and you can paste it here and put it formal, like formal. They will generate another paragraph for your blog post. I think, guys, you understand. I'm just going super fast because I'm going to show you everything. And here is my another article. I want to copy it here, but this is not a good professional writing article. You can see the WriterCream dashboard. You can save it, you can delete it, you can download it, you can board it, you can italic it, you can board it out, you can italic it, you can everything, underline what you want. Basically, you can middle. Okay, guys, you can link up, you can insert the link. Okay, www.google google.com. Okay, I just linked up my article. Okay, you can see, guys, what you want. You can customization your article from this dashboard, and then you can paste on your website. Okay, and this is very quality article they will be generated. I'm just back in here, the dashboard. I'm just clicking here, my article is generated, and I'm just clicking here. Here is, you can see the set Jenny, article writer, paragraph generator, and command mode, social media post, image generation, website headlines, copy. What you will get in this WriteRcream members area, guys, you can see everything you will be able to generate. Also, they will provide a text to space phasers and blog ideas. You can see you will get blog ideas, brand product descriptions, Google ad copy, social media post captions, SEO meta descriptions, Facebook ad copy, e-commerce product descriptions, before after base copywriting, blog conclusion, blog outline, value proposition, feign agitate solution copywriting, blog intro, engaging, and YouTube video topic ideas, long form editor, creative AI voiceover, summarizer, Quora answer assist, headline generation, plagiarism seeker, guys, sorry, email copy, paraphraser, email personalization, LinkedIn personalization, image icebreaker, audio icebreaker, backlink personalization, and pace and angle. Create your own tool, new just create. When you click here, here is your, you will be able to your own tool. And that's it, guys. This is the WriteRcream that will change your life. Believe me, this tool will change your life, and this type of tool never change your life. This is the Texter.ai. They are generated article for me, and also they are add an image, but this article is not perfect for me because my keyword was 7 foods. You can see my keywords. Keep in mind, my keyword 7 foods that naturally cleans the liver. Where are the 7 foods? Where are the 7 foods? 7 delicious food that help detox the liver. But this is not a good, guys. This, they add actually 1 2 3 4 food to clean the liver. They never get you a professional article. I am trying it out this 1 month actually, but I never generate a professional article using this software Texter.ai. Guys, I think you understand my comparison, and also you can generate more and more using this tool. You can copy this another one, you can just paste it here and keyword, and you can generate the blog paragraph. Okay, guys, the benefits of liver cleanse depends on the parts, but this is not a professional way to post your article on your website. But this is the only one software. WriteRcream will give you all the opportunity, guys. Okay, this is fantastic tool that I found and I sharing with you guys. Okay, I think this will save you time, money, and also this software have available on appsumo.com, and they will provide a 60 days money back guarantee. That's why the full 2 months, write out 2 months to make sure it is right for you. And what you will get if you purchase only one code, you can see the features included in all plans, access to 40 plus tools and all upcoming features, generate personalized code emails, personalized LinkedIn outreach, import and export CSV, personalized backlink outreach, blog articles, social media and YouTube ideas, Google and Facebook ads, landing page, headlines and descriptions, bullet points. Okay, guys, and all features here is, you can purchase the plan 1. They have a 3 4 plan, actually 5 plan, actually 3 4 5. They have 5 plans. If you plan 1, you will get this 200 credits per month. That means 400,000 characters. This is huge, and support for 75 plus languages and content template. If you plan 2, one-time purchase of $118, and all features above included: 400 credits per month, 800,000 characters, support for 75 plus languages. And plan number 3, one-time purchase of $177, all features above included. You can see all features is like this features are above included: 600 credits per month, 1,02,000, 20,000 characters, and support for 75 language content templates. And if you purchase code number 3, here is the 3 code. If you purchase code number 4, you the price only $236. Guys, I recommend you can purchase code number 5th because they will provide a 60 days money back guarantee, so you have got nothing to lose, you have no problem. This is 100% risk-free software. Okay guys, I recommend you can purchase it for your business. If you want to establish your online business, or if you want to writing article to sell article, then that's why this is the best tool. Okay guys, and you can purchase from AppSumo, and link in my video description below. Guys, I'm just sharing with you because this is the best tool that I have ever used on AI writing tools. This is the best tools guys that I'm using right now, and this tool will give you a unique article and professional article that you will be able to rank Google number 1. Okay, and guys, using article writer, you can generate 1,000 word article in 30 seconds. If you want to expand on the generated article further, simply use their long form editor with state-of-the-art features including summarize, expand, rewrite, and plagiarism checker. Other major features included in human sending voiceovers for YouTube videos and podcast, custom tools, Facebook and Google Ads, landing page copy, social media content, core answer, podcast description, and many more. WriterCream can also automate your sales and marketing. Guys, this is the best tool. I recommend you, I highly suggested you guys. Okay, if you purchase this software through via my link, I will get a small commission, but don't overcost you. These commissions help me create free valuable videos like this guys. Okay, I think you fully understand guys. I think you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family who actually generate articles, who actually establish their business. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. Thank you. See you soon my next video. Also, you can see lots of free tools, link in my video description below.